Hey everybody, I'm Zach with iGeek TV. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a power supply in an iMac G5. A couple things you'll need: Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, place to put your screws, flashlight. Turn your iMac over, screen side down. Lay it on a towel or some sort of cloth to keep from damaging the screen. And take your Phillips head screwdriver. You'll have 3 screws located on the bottom. And just unscrew them, they won't come all the way out. This will allow you to remove the back cover. Alright. Once inside, you'll need your Phillips head again, and the power supply will have a pin connector, which I've already disconnected. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and something to pry one end with, and you got to put a lot of pressure on it because it's pretty hard to get out, but it's relatively simple. Then you'll need your screwdriver. There's 3 screws located on this power supply, 1 on each end and 1 in the center. And they do not come all the way out, they just back off. So just unscrew those. Once you get those unscrewed, just gently take and pry back, watching your capacitors on your motherboard. You may have to use something to do a little, prise it up a little bit, and you'll have a ALS cable, and you just take and gently pull it off your main board. Be sure when you order your new power supply that it has the cable with it, ambient light sensor. If it don't, you'll need one. And thank you for watching iGeek TV.